is Natalie Schoenfeld. I'm the Director of Student Transition Services, which means I oversee Student Support Services and the Transfer Student Center at UCI. I'd say it all started about 6 years ago. The Academic Senate had asked for us to look at the quality of writing that was being produced in the first year integrated program to see if it matched the expectations that existed for lower division writing. And that basically then moved into an expansion of assessment of writing in FIP that then led to an assessment of lower division writing and upper division writing. Really wanted to learn more about what writing skills students were able to demonstrate through their writing and develop a rubric that would work across multiple disciplines, so that wasn't discipline dependent. Looking at what were the skills students were able to demonstrate in their writing independent of the prompt or the writing assignment. The rubric was a reflection of the learning outcomes that had been agreed upon for lower and upper division writing. And so we were looking to see the degree to which those were actually being achieved or demonstrated in writing that students were producing. We see sort of the places where students have the greatest challenge in terms of demonstrating skill and demonstrating critical thinking through their writing, and the ways in which they use or integrate sources into their writing. In terms of sources, there are a whole variety of elements. So the degree to which they use relevant or appropriate sources, the ways in which they integrate those sources into their writing, and then the way in which they integrate the ideas of those sources into their writing to create their own argument, thesis, right, to sort of move their paper along and develop their own views and articulate those through their writing. The critical thinking piece is the degree to which, the way I think about it is the degree to which students are able to articulate in writing their views and opinions on whatever the subject matter is of their writing assignment versus being able to detail what other people have said or what they've heard around that subject matter. So students generally are able to demonstrate knowledge of the subject matter. The question is whether they're able to demonstrate that they're now sort of interacting with that subject matter and themselves becoming an expert in that subject and have sort of a claim, right, to make in their writing.